Aloha, this is Brian Watkins. This is the tutorial video for Pivot Table A5, the focused comparison. So what we're going to do now is learn how to use that filter button to show only the things that we want to print out on our final report. Okay, so we're going to create a report using our product sales data that shows which products are in which categories and which sales they have, but we only want to see first and second quarters. Okay, so we do our basic pivot table, insert, pivot table, hit OK. We're going to have categories, products, sales, and quarters, but we're going to put the quarters in columns, as we've learned, and we're going to change the report layout to tabular form. Okay, with tabular form, and the reason why it's so important is you get a filter button on each of your separate fields. Okay. Now, we only want to see quarters 1 and 2, so all we do is uncheck 3 and 4. And that's the way you limit it, because you can't tell it to leave off certain quarters when you're preparing the report. It will put everything in. You have to go back later, use your filter button, and tell it exactly what you want. So, for example, I could change this so that all I see on my whole report is just the beverage category. So naturally, the danger here is omitting information that your boss or client wants to see. So be careful when you filter that you're doing it exactly as you've been asked to do it. So here, we make sure there's a grand total showing full amount of sales, and we see that. There's no sort or any other requirement, so we are done except for formatting our numbers. Let's put accounting format, and giving us a style. So let's use this blue outline style. I don't care what style you use, but you lose points if you don't put a style on it. All right, there we go.